Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is the first video that you come across of me. I'm Brittany K here, and today, look who we have, Renee. This is Renee, this is my friend, my cousin, all of the above. Go ahead. Matter of fact, you can introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm just Renee.
Okay, anyways.
He likes my diamonds and my pearls. I said thank you, I designed it. Not your average girl.
I'm about to do her hair. I'm about to apply this wig on her actually. So let me show y'all. Let me get the box. So this is the wig, y'all. So this hair this is the hair. I mean, I bleached the knots. I plucked it just a little. And this is VSHOW wigs off Amazon. They sent me this hair. Yes, she's showing y'all all the details. It's like a short bob basically. Yes, I'm about to put this on her, y'all. It's gonna be so cute. I'm about to try to slay her. I don't really put wigs on other people, but
There's a first time for everything.
yes it is, and I got it on camera.
You know, the best time to do a first time for hair is on YouTube, so not only you can enjoy it, but the viewers can enjoy it. Wait, I just gotta say, every time somebody take off a scarf on YouTube, their hair look jacked up.
Yeah, hers, okay, so look y'all, her hair is actually in a sleek ponytail, but we just gonna put the wig over this, okay? We're not gonna worry about all this. Actually, I'm about to put a wig cap on, but
We're back again.
yeah. So we changed her up to a middle part. Put your head down.
Did you hear what she said?
Oh, you look cute. You might as well wear it like this.
We just wear the wig cap.
Yeah, like this. You be cute.
I need a beanie.
Right, and just show this part.
Yeah. You know, I be getting frontals and I don't like my wigs like with no glue or nothing, so I just put hair under my glasses.
She said it's gonna be secure like that.
Like I make it like a sideburn.
What? A sideburn?
Yeah, the part that go by your ear.
I know what it is, but what? Why is you doing that?
Cause it don't be laid, and I'm like, what if I want to put it? What if I want to be cute and put it behind my ear?
Part the front part down.
You go crazy.
Go somewhere. It goes in there now.
You just changed the ponytail, so. Oh, you finna glue it on bad. I be having bad luck with that.
Let me see. This how I'm about to do it though. I'm just
Oh,
first.
see, you do it on the outside though.
This is my first time doing this. That's why I said we about to try something new.
No, but usually when you glue your wigs down.
Okay.
Oh.
Ooh, I don't want that part. Okay, y'all, so it's installed. So now we about to just flat iron it and style it. We just about to flat iron it, to be honest, actually.
That is styling it.
Oh, okay, well. Let me zoom in on my sis. Put your head down. Yes, sir.
Wait, let me see.
It's probably not right. Ouch. I'm probably gonna wash tomorrow. Stop! Y'all, she wanna do bangs in this wig so bad. Like, no, give me this.
Okay, just give me side bang.
No. Look, I just did Renee hair.
Oh, wow, that's pretty.
It's a wig.
That's a wig.
It's a wig.
Why you can't tell at all?
Yeah.
You did your thing.
Oh my God, it is beautiful.
Yes, yes.
Everybody get fixed up but me.
Oh, grandma, I got you. I'm gonna come do something for you.
That's gorgeous.
Yes, thank you. I'll try.
Okay, I'm done posing. You're welcome. Alright, watch me freak this for her. Oh, hold on. Let me show y'all the lace. This part not glued down. She just glued it right here and right here. So all of this, the front part that's showing, is glued down. She wanted to try something different. And now she know that she don't have to glue her lace down completely. Hello.
Alright, you guys, so that's it for this video. Make sure you guys add her on all her social media because she dyes, color, and change her hair color every other day. So if you want to see somebody who keep changing their hair color on their natural hair, then follow her on Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube,
Instagram. She gonna put it.
No, I don't do that. You talking about she gonna put it on?
But no, it's Instagram VLLIM 2 underscores. YouTube Carmilla Renee CARMILLA. She will link it below because you might not.
RENEE.
If you don't know how to spell Renee, then
I'm gonna put it all in the description box. It'll be the
sorry.
first link. Make sure y'all hit her up, look at her channel. But no, go add her, go follow her, and subscribe to her channel. And make sure y'all say Brittany sent y'all. So no, I'm just kidding, don't do that. But make sure y'all go to her page and like her videos and check her out. She actually about to color this wig. So if y'all want to see this hair colored and stuff, make sure y'all stay in contact with her because she gonna color it and put bangs in it.
probably put a bag in
All
it.
she do is color, y'all, so y'all gonna see. And then this is a long outro. I'm tired, y'all. Alright, but what? Oh, follow me on my social media. I'm gonna put it all in the description box below. But on Instagram and Twitter at Brittany K. And then subscribe to my channel and make sure you comment because you know I'm gonna respond. And that's it for this video.
Please keep it positive, no negativity. We like clean energy over here.
Yes, what she said.
If your truth is that you gotta say something negative, honestly, just speak your truth. Like,
just say it. Just say it. At this point, it's like, no, I'm just kidding. But yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.